It is with great pleasure and honor that I welcome you all to the second Water-NEC meeting of our great party, National Rescue Movement, NRM. Also, with very sense of responsibility, on behalf of the National Working Committee, I must tender unreserved apology for taking this long time to hold our NEC meeting, but it's never late than ever. I salute your perseverance and courage for believing in our leadership despite all the challenges. We shall continue to be positive as we are enjoying our unrelenting support as we coast to victory in the coming 2023 general elections by God's grace. This second quarter NEC meeting shall deliberate on so many issues. We shall take positions and make vital decisions as we are resolute, being the highest decision-making organ of our party. I'm talking of NEC. My fellow NEC members, no doubt about it, we are united, formidable, and resolute. Over time, we have shown strength as a party to prove that we are ready for the task ahead. We must understand that in Nigerian politics, election year is usually characterized with so much intrigues, internal wranglings, disputes, and conflicts, all because of people who will elevate their personal interest above party and country's interest. As a party that believes in law and order, together with the Independent National Electoral Commission and well-meaning Nigerians, we shall continue to work to make inputs in our electoral laws to improve the quality of our democracy. The current electoral laws, if followed in its entirety, would have eliminated so many flaws in our system. We will only try hard to implementing this by adhering to the rules, which is intended to guide and direct our steps towards restoring political hygiene and electoral sanity in our polity. Substitution of our former presidential candidate. It is imperative to clear the air over the issues surrounding the substitution of our former presidential candidate in the person of Maz Ogudule Jike, who, with our new presidential candidate, come 2023, Pastor Ambassador Felix Johnson Osagwe and his running mate, Alhaji Ambassador Yahya Mohammed Kiabo Fagel. The leadership took a golden decision on this matter at that material time, making sure that every step taken was in accordance with our party guidelines, the Electoral Act, and the NEC guidelines were not overstepped. Also, the decision was taken in good faith to brighten our chances on all the constituencies we are fielding candidates in 2023 general elections. This issue generated unwarranted controversies by some selfish elements that are poised to make gains from any misunderstanding, no matter how little. Despite all their antics, we remain committed. State of the nation. Our next meeting is not complete if we shy away from mentioning the state of the nation. Nigeria is drifting under APC-led administration. This obnoxious development has placed enormous challenge on us as the opposition party to put up our game and quickly rescue this country from the appalling APC administration. Majority of Nigerians who are disillusioned about the state of affairs in the last 7 years are excited that we are trying to get it right as we remain the last hope of Nigerian democracy. All because of Rescue Nigerian project resting on our shoulders, we have taken it upon ourselves as Rescue Party to broaden our scope, open our doors, and allow ideas to flow in for a more robust democratic development. Therefore, we invite our brothers, sisters, youths, and women from other political parties sharing the same concern to join us to rescue our country that is in distress, socially, politically, economically, and security-wise. We are excited to announce that in a few days from now, the hopes of Nigerians shall be rekindled by the unveiling of our manifesto. Our presidential candidates' governance philosophy and leadership ideology supports our party's ideology in its entirety. That is why he is offering to field 60% of youth and women in leadership and management positions in his administration once elected president. We will present to Nigerians in the coming days a well-constructed campaign council with top-notch professionals used with ICT wizardry to lead our campaign around the country to sell our candidates. For this is our sacred duty to restoring the hope of the largest democracy in Africa. We are grateful to God for granting us all good health and safety, and warmly appreciate everyone here present in this meeting today at this historic and well-constituted second quarter NEC of our great party, NRM. History shall speak well of you because you have chosen to be on the side of the law. Remembering the words of my mentor, Mahatma Gandhi, who said, "The future depends on what we do in the present," and that relationships are based on 4 principles: respect, understanding, acceptance, and appreciation. This is where my leadership starts and stops. Mutual respect, love, forgiveness, transparency, and accountability. Together, we shall redefine history and shape our world. God bless